In this video, I am discussing fourth standard mathematics, chapter 6, division, exercise 6.3. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Dividend is divided by one digit number to get the remainder. See example, you have learned the operation of division of a number. Can Ravi distribute 9 laddus equally among 4 friends? 4 friends, 9 laddus, 4 twos are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 is the remainder. This is the remainder. How many laddus are left undistributed with Ravi? 1. One laddu is undistributed. The number of laddu left with Ravi after equal distribution is the remainder. This is remainder. Observe, the remainder is always the less than the divisor. We can verify the answer by using formula. This is very important formula. Based on this formula, questions asked in various school entrance exam like Navodaya, Murarji, Rani Channamma. Formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See this problem, 9 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. That means dividend, here dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here dividend is 9, divisor is 8, divisor is 4, quotient is 2, remainder is 1. This is 8 plus 1, 9 is equal to 9. This is important formula. Based on this formula, questions will be asked in entrance exams. Example, divide 86 by 5, find the quotient and remainder. $86 is the dividend, divisor is 5, 5 ones are 5, 8 minus 5 is 3, take this 6, this becomes 36, 5 sevens are 35, 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 3 is 0, 1 is the remainder. Quotient is 17. Exercise 6.3, find the quotient and remainder in these. 76 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6, 7 minus 6 is 1. Take this 6, it becomes 16. 6 twos are 12. 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. Quotient is 12, remainder is 4. 93 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, take this 3. 8 ones are 8, 3 minus 8 is not possible, take 10 digit, becomes 13, 13 minus 8 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. Quotient is 11, remainder is 5. Third one, 345 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Take this 5. 5 9 are 45. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Remainder, quotient is 69. Remainder is 0. Fourth one, 911 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. Take this one. It becomes 31. 6 fives are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Take this one. 6 ones are 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Quotient is 151. Remainder is 5. 9254 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Take this 2. 8 ones are 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Take this 5. 8 fives are 40. 45 minus 40 is 5. Take this 4. It becomes 54. 8 6 are 48. 14 minus 8 is 6. Quotient is 1156. Remainder is 6. Sixth one, 8374 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Take this 3. It becomes 33. 5 6 are 30. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Take this 7 here. It becomes 37. 5 sevens are 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Take 4 here. Next number is 4. Take 4. It becomes 24. 5 fours are 24. 2 minus 2 is 0. Quotient is 1674. Remainder is 4. Seventh one, 2437 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Take this 3. It becomes 43. 5 8s are 40. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, take this 3, this 7. 5 sevens are 35. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4087 is the quotient. Remainder is 2. 6218 divided by 7. Take these two numbers. 7 8 are 56. 2 minus 6 is not possible. Take 10 digit. It becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Carry 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. Take next number 1. It becomes 50. 61. 7 8s are 56. 11 minus 5 is 11 minus 6 is 5. Carry 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. Take next number. It becomes 58. 7 8s are 56. 8 minus 6 is 2. 5 minus 5 0. Quotient is 888. Quotient is 888. Remainder is 2. Ninth one, 3452 divided by 6. 6 5s are 30. 4 minus 0 is 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Take this 5. 6 7s are 42. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 4, 0. And next 2. 6 5s are 30. 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Quotient is 575. Remainder is 2. 10th one, 5715 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56. 7 minus 6 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Take this one here. 11. 8 ones are 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. And take next number 5 here. 8 fours are 32. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. This is quotient is 714. Remainder is 3. 11th one, 2375 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. 23 minus 3 minus 0 is 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Take this 7. 4 9s are 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Take this 5. It becomes 15. 4 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Quotient is 593. Remainder is 3. 4238 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Take next 3. We cannot group 3 as 7. Therefore, put 0 here. Take next number 8. It becomes 38. 7. 5 is 35. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Quotient is 6, not 5. Remainder is 3. This completes your exercise 6.3. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.